guys. Today I'm going to show you how to play What's Up by 4 Non-Blondes. Super easy song, very recognizable. I'm going to show you how to play it with and without a capo. If you use a capo, you can play it all open chords. Without a capo, you'll just need one bar chord. First we'll go over the chords, then the strumming pattern, and then we'll put it together. Alright, let's get right into it. So first we'll go over how to play it with the capo. Like I said, it's just 3 open chords. So the first chord is just going to be a G major. So we'll cover the top and bottom string with our middle finger and pinky. And then our pointer finger is just going to go down onto the 2nd string from the top, 2 frets up from the capo. Next, we're going to move to an A minor. So we're just holding down on the 2 middle strings on the 2nd fret. And then we'll put our pointer finger down onto the 2nd string from the bottom, 1st fret up from the capo. Last, we'll move to a C chord. All we need to do is just lift up that ring finger and put it down on the 3rd fret up from the capo, 2nd string from the top. And then after the C chord, we'll go back to the G and we're going to play the strumming pattern that I'll go over one time before the whole thing starts over. So the order of the chords is just going to be G, A minor, C, back to G, and then it starts over. All right, now we'll go over the strumming pattern. I'm personally a big believer in strum however sounds right, but if you want a pattern to go by, I'll give you one right now. So on every chord, you're just going to go down, down, up, down, up, twice. Every chord, you'll do that twice. Awesome. Now when we combine the strumming pattern with the chords, it should look and sound like this. Alright, now we can go over the song without a capo. So it's going to be the exact same strumming pattern, but now it's just going to be 2 open chords and then 1 bar chord. So the first chord is just going to be an A major, so we'll just cover the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string from the bottom. I just use one finger, but if you want, you could put a finger on each string. Next, we're going to move to that bar chord, which is just going to be an A minor shaped bar chord, barring on the 2nd fret. And then last, we'll move to a D major. And so like I said, same exact strumming pattern. So without the capo, it should look and sound like this. And that's the whole song. It's that easy, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave any questions or future requests in the comments, and I'll try to get to them as best as possible. Thank you again so much, and I'll see you in the next one.